Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial by Arcania Academy on AutoCAD 2D. So in this tutorial, we'll be exploring our two very important commands in AutoCAD that are line and polyline. So basically, line is something very much clear from what it says. It is used to draw lines in AutoCAD. And what is a polyline? Polyline is basically a group of lines that are joined together and they function as a single object. So let's learn how can we make these lines and what are the properties of these objects. So we have two options to make the line. Either we can use the command L-enter, or else we can go to the home tab and choose the line option. So guys, if you cannot see these options on your screen, then use the command ribbon, RIBBON. So when you use that command, these options will be displayed. So let's come back to the line command. Just click here on the line and now you have to specify the first point. Now as you can see, as I'm moving my cursor on my screen, these numbers that are written here in the blue and grey, they are changing. These are basically your x and y coordinates of your screen. So if you want, you can specify a particular coordinate from where you want to start your drawing, or else you can click anywhere on the screen. So let's click here and now you can see I just have to click somewhere and now my line will be created. Now before clicking, you can see we have two options here. First is the number that is highlighted in blue and it is changing as I am moving my cursor. This is basically the measure of the line that I will be drafting here. And second, we have this degree that is changing as I am moving my cursor up and down. So this is basically the angle of my line from the horizontal base. So I have the option to edit both of these. First, let's enter the measure of our line. So let's make it 45,000. Now to input the angle, press tab and now you can see you have the option to specify the angle. Either click somewhere wherever your angle is suitable for you, or else specify the angle. So let's make it 33 degrees and then press enter. So you can see my line has been created. Now I have the option to create another line. My command is still on. To exit the command, either press escape or else right click and then click cancel. So now you are out of the command. So here my line has been created. It has two endpoints and one midpoint. Now let's make another line with the help of line command. The command is L-enter. Now again, similar to the first technique that we did, again we have to specify our first point here. So let's make it this. And now specify the second point. Again you can specify the length and the angle like we did in our previous technique, or else click anywhere on the screen. So here my line has been created. So if I want, I can create another line also like this anywhere and then escape. So my lines are created. Now switching to the polyline. Polyline, as I have told you, it is a group of lines. Let's learn how can we create polyline. To create polyline, again go to the home tab and next to the line we have the option for polyline. Click here and then again specify a start point like you did in your line command. Now again you can specify the distance like we did in the line and specify the angle by clicking the tab key and then click again, next line. So just keep on clicking and more lines will keep adding to your polyline. So either you can leave it like this, like an open object, double click here and you'll exit from the command, or else you can close your line by clicking here. So either you can click here or you can press C enter. So your polyline, it has closed. So now when you select it, all the objects are selected. So basically this is a group of lines that is functioning as a single object. Whereas if we come to this was each and every line, it is a single object. Now if you want to convert this polyline into lines like single objects like we have here, so you'll have to break these lines into single objects. To break these, we have an option in AutoCAD that is known as explode. Let's learn how can we implement it. First, select the object that you want to explode and then type in the command X enter. That's it, your object, it has now exploded. So our one polyline has now broken up into various single lines. So this is how the explode option works. And now if you want to join in back again a group of lines into a single polyline, then we have a command called join. So the shortcut for it is J enter. Now you have to select the objects that you want to join. So I want to join these three and then press enter. So now you can see these three objects, they have been converted into a single polyline. So these were my two commands, line and polyline.